Hi, everybody. Good evening. Today, I am finally doing my hair dryer demonstration. My hair is wet, but it's getting dry quickly because I'm not getting to this video fast enough. So I'm going to try to dry it real quick and show you. So basically today I'm talking about this Revlon hair dryer. I learned about it a year ago when I asked my dental hygienist. her I complimented her hair and I said, "Your hair looks so good." And she goes, "Oh, I use this really great brush." She said it dries my hair faster than a regular hair dryer. It's less to manage. You don't have to manage a hair dryer and a brush, to give yourself a salon blowout. So I'm going to show y'all how easily it is to get a salon blowout. And this isn't really even that expensive. They have them on Amazon right now, and I have a link below for you to find it on Amazon. So it might even be on discount because I think they're coming out with a newer model. But I think it has ionic technology, which makes it take the static out of your hair, the frizz out of your hair, and it dries things faster. So I'm gonna do a quick timer on my phone. It's 9:34. And I'm going to hit a timer and I'm going to start, and then I may be able to edit this. I'm not that great at editing videos yet, but I may edit this and speed it up to the end. But basically you'll see that I put my hair in sections. Okay. And I start that way. Okay. So here we go. Start. All right. And I've got my little clips that I put my hair up in. So I'm going to just take this top part and get it out of the way for now. It'll be like the last thing I do. So let me just curl that up and put a big clip on it. And then I'll take pieces. I'm going to take my glasses off. Take pieces for later. And then I just clamp them up, get them out of the way. I have a little bag here of all these clips. And then let me take a chunk of this side. So I referred this hair dryer last year to, I showed them my hair, and then I showed them on Amazon where to buy it. My sister bought one and loves it. My friend Marta bought one, and my friend Gail bought one, and they all love it. So I just thought, okay, I'm gonna do a demonstration so other people can realize that they can get a salon blowout. What's funny is I told my hairdresser about it and she was like, "Yeah, I know that." I'm like, "Why didn't you tell me?" I'm having salon blowouts every single day. So anyway, I'm not holding the secret. I'm sharing the secret. So it's going to get loud. I don't know if I can mute. Yes, I'm going to mute the microphone for a minute, okay? Okay, all of the underneath part is dry. Now I'm going to the second layer. All right, here we go. Sometimes I curl it in, give it a little bit of a flip. Underneath at the root, I curl under for volume to create a layer of volume underneath. What I love about it is that I don't have to manage a hairbrush and a blow dryer. It's all in one. I could use one hand over too. Okay, this piece is already dry. Let me bring another piece down. I'll get the back in a second. So I have curly hair, and it's taking the frizz out really quickly. I don't have any product in my hair. In fact, I hardly ever put product in my hair. I like natural. I like to keep my hair as natural as possible. I don't have any dye in my hair. I haven't dyed my hair in 23 years. My hair is all my hair. Healthy. Just gotta think your olive oil. Let me put in my head so you can see. See, by just putting your hair in little pieces, then you just take the piece that fits on the hair dryer and just do that one piece. So I'm gonna sleep on this because it's nighttime, and it'll probably look pretty decent in the morning. Like if you don't want to have to wash your hair and blow it at night, you can do it before you sleep. And then in the morning, you just kind of take the sheet out if you want to smooth it, just with a Passover. And scoot over. We're going on 5 minutes, and I'm almost done. With my other hair dryer, I used to have to, and a hairbrush, a blowout would take like 15 minutes. I like how light it is. Okay, here I'm going to do the top now. I'm going to go down first. I'm getting all that frizz out. I don't know if you can see how frizzy it was. I already pulled some of it out when I passed the hair dryer through. So for me, it's great because it's such a pain to do a blow dry normally without this, but I hardly ever like to smooth my hair. But because this is so easy, I get to have my hair smooth a lot. So my hair is almost dry. Let's see what time it is. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. I'm going to just do a Passover. This is so fast. I can even stop right now, but it feels so good. The warm. Okay, now I'm going to do my bang. You want to put some volume, get up under there, get it underneath, and run the brush through it. Okay? Alright, I'm going to put this little piece right there like this. Pull it down. It gave me nice fluffy bangs that I can. Alright, I'm going to quit. Let's see what time it is. Stop. It is Can y'all see that? 8:12. All right, 8 minutes. So that's what my dental hygienist was talking about. She can get ready. I like the little kick that I get. Can y'all see that kick from the body, from the dryer? And then it's straight and smooth, and you can run a quick comb through it. I think if you have curly hair, this is the way to go. Yes, let's see what it looks like in the morning. Look at that. I could have finished in 5 minutes if I was in a hurry, but I wanted to do it extra good. So my hair feels so light and fluffy. All right, that's the link below. Try to get this in the camera. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. Pretty big. Here we go. All right, guys. It's night time. All right. If you have any questions, just write below in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Good night. See you later. See you tomorrow.